Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some useful and shortcut tips while using Google Chrome. These are very simple tricks, so hopefully this video might help few of you. So let's get started. Now open Google Chrome. Now to open a new tab, you can simply use Control T like this, Control T, Control T. So you can open a new tab like that. And then to let's say I type beach, and then this one waterfall. So now in order to go to the next tab, I can just use Control Tab like this, or you can simply press Control plus the number of that tab. So let's say if I want to go to the second tab, this one, then I will simply press Control plus 2. And then if I want to go back to the beach one, which is the fifth one, then I will just press Control plus 5. So now let's go to the first one, so Control plus 1. Then that's how you can go to that particular tab. And then if you want to go back to the tab going backwards, then for that just press Control Shift and Tab. So that's how you can go back. Now the next step is to pin a tab to save space. So bring the cursor over here on top of the tab, just make a right click and click on pin, and do the same way. So this one, pin it, and let's just close it. Now open it again, open the browser again, and then you will get all the details back. So this one is the flowers one, so I will unpin it. And then this one is the beach one, this one is the Yahoo one, so this one is the waterfall one. So that's how, even if you pin it, then you close it, but when you open it again, the browser, you will get all the details back. The next tip is use Control Shift T to reopen the tab that you closed by mistake. So if I close this one, the beach one, by mistake, then I can just simply press Control Shift T, and then it will reopen it. And then let's say if I close this one by mistake, then I can simply use Control Shift and then T, then it will reopen the same tab back. Now the next one is use Task Manager. So if you think that whenever you are on a website or searching for any information, if you think that that website is running slow because of the other link or other website, then you can always use Task Manager to end that link or that process or that website. So use these three dots, click over here, and then go to More Tools, and then go to Task Manager. So whatever the site that you think that you don't want to search anymore, let's say I don't want to search this one anymore, then I can just simply end it. And I don't want this flowers one, I can just simply end it. So that's how you can end the process to other website run a little faster. And there are other ways as well to use the Task Manager. Instead of using this one, you can simply use press Shift and then Escape. So that's how you get the Task Manager, and simply delete or end the process, or whatever the link that you don't want to use anymore, then click on End the Process. Now the last trick is to use private window if you don't want your search history to be saved in future. So for that, press Control Shift N, and then you will get this private window. So whatever you search over here, this history will not be saved in future. And you can also log into your another email account. If you are already logged in over here, then you can use another Yahoo account or Gmail account to log in on the private window. So that's how you can use all these tricks. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your time, and please like and subscribe to my channel.